Hello. Links, lists, and images are essential for structuring and enhancing web pages. In this video, we'll learn how to create HTML links, organize content with lists, and add images to our websites. Let's start with HTML links. HTML links, also called anchors, connect web pages or external resources. They are created using the AA tag with the href attribute to specify the destination. Let's look at an example of an HTML link. This link uses the AA tag. The href attribute defines the URL to navigate to, and the target self makes the link open in the same tab. Now, we are going to see how HTML lists organize content. Lists help organize items systematically. HTML provides two main types of lists: unordered lists, which display bullet points; ordered lists, which show items in a numbered sequence. Now, let's see how these lists are created. In this example, the first list is unordered, and the second one is ordered. Lists make content easy to read and well-structured. In this section, we will see how HTML images are embedded in a web page. Images make websites visually appealing and informative. They are added using the img tag, which requires the src attribute for the image source and alt text for accessibility. Here's an example of embedding an image. This example uses the img tag to display an image. The src attribute points to the image's URL. The alt attribute provides alternate text if the image fails to load. And we set the width using the style attribute. To practice these topics, open the description and click the relevant link. Read the detailed explanation on the page. Scroll down to the bottom. And try it yourself using the live editor. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you understand the topics correctly.